Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we are going to learn about the quantity takeoff of the stump column concrete with the formwork. It's similar to our pie cap the last lesson as well. So now let's go one by one. First of all, we need to look into the detail first. So as you know, for the stump column, basically it's a column that continue from the top of the pie cap to the structure floor level, the FFL, the plus 0.25 meter. You can see, so right here is the height of it. It's 900 millimeter. So this is the, as you can see, it's so SC2 is type of stump column. We will look into it just a second. So first of all, I would like to explain to you that how it works with the stump column. So stump column, we start from the top of the pie cap with this level to the structure floor level, as you can see right here. So the height of it is 900. So right now we got the 900, as you can see I mark right here, so easy to understand. So there are three types of the pie cap, so we need to look into it one by one, but in this case all three of it at the same level, as you can see. So 900 for PC1, that the stump column on top of it is 900 millimeter, the same as PC2 and the same as PC3. So all is 900 millimeter. So you can start do a quantity takeoff right now. First of all, the same thing, we did the name and also the polyline around our stump column. So we just draw a polyline, simple as that. Make sure it got all around as the area. And now I got all of it because, as I mentioned, I don't want the video is too long for you guys. All you need to do is just let me delete this one and just PL and enter, and simply you just draw a line and click enter, something like that. So now you get all around it. Make sure you get all of it. You can see. And now all you need to do, you open our QS Auto Pro as before, and then you go to S1. Just click S1, because this one we can use it with export wall, column, either stump column, column from ground floor, and footing. We just learned at the previous lesson. So you click on it and then you put the height. The height we already checked and we know it's 900, so you type 900 and enter. Now all you need to do is just click on the column, you select the name and you select the line around it. As you can see, it's the same as column. It's the same as a pie cap, because all the height is 900. So you click one by one. If the height is different, you need to do one by one on each tab with different height, but this one is the same, so you just click it all like this, and down here as well, same thing. Okay, as you can see, just double click and you will get the quantity. It's simple as that. Okay, here as well. Okay, so now we got all of it, the stump column, because the height is 900, the same on each tab. So now we got all the quantity. Let me open full for you guys so you guys easy to see. So you put 1 for the vestige later on, the same format that we have done before. Yep, multiply by 1, and then you just copy it Okay, and now you sub total it. Name. As you can see, so now we got the quantity of the stump column. It's really fast, and also the size formwork of it as well. As you can see, it automatically calculates for us. It takes the height of the stump column times the perimeter around the column. Let me show you. Let me put it back. Okay, so let me escape again. Okay, so the perimeter 1 meter right here is with this area. The length of it times the height, we will get the formwork around our stump column. So the red line is the formwork. It totally create the quantity for us. And let me turn it back, as you can see. So you got the quantity of the size of the column, and also the concrete amount, the cubic meter, and the square meter of the formwork. So as you can see, it's really simple. Let me close this one. It's the same as PyCap. It's nothing new. You put equal to 15.66 square meter and then multiply by 1 just in case you need to input the mistake later on. You can see multiply by 1 as our format, and then you click save. So now it's all done for the stump column. We got the concrete, we got the formwork. Just one simple takeoff and you get the quantity of the concrete and formwork. It's simple as that. And for the reinforcement, the rebar, we will looking into it later on. So for today, I would like to end our lesson right here, and thank you for watching. See you guys for the next video. Thank you.